So, hello everyone. Today we have Raghavendra and Anusha with us. Both are CAs and they are just done with their counseling from BrainCode. So, let's understand their feedback as they both are professionals and what all they have got to know. So, we'll start from Raghavendra. Yes.
यस आई गॉट टू नो आई हैड द इंस्टिंक्ट्स लेकिन वो एक्सेप्टेंस करने की बात नहीं थी जैसे कि अनुषा इज टू टेल मी मैं कौन सी चीज़ों में अच्छा हूँ कौन सी चीज़ों में अच्छा नहीं हूँ बट आई यूज टू टेल नहीं नहीं ये चीज़ में मैं अच्छा नहीं हूँ बट यू आर गुड लेकिन यहाँ पे मेरे को अभी क्या पता चला आई वॉज गुड एट आई वॉज ऑलरेडी डूइंग लेकिन वो एक्सेप्टेंस नहीं था सो दिस फॉर एक्सेप्टेंस थिंग दिस इज वेरी गुड सो एवरी वन शुड डू दिस
Yeah. And you?
Hi all. So I would first like to thank Preeti madam for sparing so much time and taking a detailed counseling session for both of us. So like we were told at the beginning of the session that this counseling and this report will be a mirror to what we actually are, and at the end of the session I can confirm that this is actually the mirror of what we are. So I am truly blessed to get to know about this through Preeti madam, and this is the first time I've heard of such a thing, and to be able to pinpoint every single thing of my personality from somebody who is a complete stranger to me was I feel mesmerized at the kind of technology these people have already built. So I would suggest that everyone should get it done once in their lifetime to know what they actually are and reflect upon themselves. Thank you, Preeti ma'am. Thank you, team.
Thank you. Thank you. Raghavendra, do you think this is important for children who are on their career decision making stage?
Definitely, as like I was talking about, I want to send my office people also for this counseling because like you told, okay, you are good at some things, even I feel that they are good at something, but again the same thing, acceptance. They are not ready to accept the things which they are good at it. So I'll definitely think that children's even the early career guidance also it will help for them as well.
And they both are very inspiring in terms of one more thing that I want to add, that Mr. Raghavendra comes from a priest family और इन्होंने वो सारी चीज़ें चेंज करके आज CA बने, खुद का फर्म रन कर रहे हैं एंड इन्होंने भी बहुत सारी चीज़ें की. सो बेस्ट ऑफ लक टू बोथ ऑफ यू.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
थैंक यू.